Oh, what do we have here? Tough guy girlfriend beater meets instant karma.
This is 31-year-old Shane Marks. On December 30th, 2023, Palm Beach police responded to a local apartment complex after a front desk employee called for a woman asking for help. The woman told the front desk employee that her boyfriend was going to hurt her and asked her to call 911, even quickly giving the employee her cell phone because her boyfriend was following her to the lobby. Once he made it to the lobby, he then attempted to drag her back to the apartment while making threats and demands to the apartment employee. We can't show you the lobby surveillance video on YouTube. However, watch what happens when police arrive.
Hello.
You know how bad that shit gotta be if you can't show this on YouTube? Golly, bro, like you're a piece of shit.
He went.
Getting aggressive.
Okay.
He pulled the alarm clock, fire alarm. Because, he left his phone in the Uber, and he can't find it, and he's his girlfriend grabbing her around.
Cause you lost your phone?
Shane, open the door. Oh, y'all wanna deal with this?
Ooh, they big as hell too. Oh, I wouldn't want to even get into it. These fellas,
Somebody go back there with you.
they look young too.
All right, if she can't put it in, ma'am, you can go back and wait over there. Let her wait. Let her.
Hey, are you Shane? All right, let me come here.
There's some big ass officers. Oh, damn!
Hey, put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting us. Stop resisting us. Stop resisting us.
He looked like that actor. What's that actor's name? Oh, I cannot think of his name. And he played in like the Marvel series and stuff. Captain America. What's that actor's name?
What's that knife? He's got a knife. Where?
He got a knife.
Listen, man, for what? Let me get this hand. For what? For what? Put your hands behind your back.
Ooh.
There you go.
Shane, stop
Hands
resisting.
behind your back.
Shane, stop resisting.
What are you guys doing to me, man? Put your hands behind your back. You got cuffs?
I would not want to fight them cops, let alone shoot at them. Them boys big.
What is going on, man? What is going on, man?
That's a big lady too.
What's going on, man?
Your ass going to jail.
Can I ask you what's going on? Can I ask you what's going on? Can I ask you what's going on?
He is so fucked up.
I did nothing wrong, man. I was just... Can I ask you what's going on? Can I ask you what's going on? Yeah. Can I ask you what's going on?
Oh.
Can I ask you what's going on? Can I ask you what's going on? Can I ask you what's going on, man? Can I ask you what's going on? 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 Can I ask you what's going on?
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
Can I ask you what's going on? Can I ask you what's going on?
Bro must be on the Addy trip or something. What the hell voice is that? Damn. Oh, God. Did they just pick him up? See, I need to know what diet plan these brothers on. God dang, you over here got Hulkamania and shit. Like, what the hell? Damn. I ain't never seen no cops throw nobody that big. What West Palm? Let's not get into it with these officers from West Palm Beach at nighttime. Damn. Don't tell me he about to smoke a cigarette. This brother head is on top of the car. That's a goddamn Suburban. You feel me? Like, I'm 5'9", 5'8.5 3/4. Who's counting? But literally, what the hell? Why he open the door?
You need me in the head again, I'm gonna Talk to me, man. Chill. Chill. What did I do wrong, man? Talk to me, man. Sit up. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong, man? Please talk to me.
What the hell is that? Did he just worm his way out the back of the truck? Wait a minute. You gotta watch his head. See, now you gotta get hog-tied. You want to get hog-tied today, huh?
Let him do whatever you want to do. Let him do whatever you want to do. Stop! Stop! Get him in the car. Come on, let's go. Get him in the car. No, what did I do wrong, man? Come on, let's go. We're adding more charges too. What did I do wrong, man? Let's go. Come on.
They picking this boy up like he's just 100-pound weight or something. That's crazy.
Hey, if you kick me, it's not gonna be a good day for you. You better not kick me. It's not gonna be a good day for you. I like knocking the f*** out of my feet right now, man. You know that, right?
Oh.
Go get your cars.
Police transport Shane to the hospital for medical clearance. However, he continues to fight with officers, spitting on them and using racist language.
Yeah, I don't think you would want to do that with them fellas. They some big boys.
Copy. Fun's gonna be the on-ramp of 95.
9300.
That's all 97
2300 hours.
You headbutting my window, bro. I'm gonna kick this.
Oh, did he just lunge at him?
Calm your ass down. Hey, you spit on me.
Oh,
Hey, hold on. Yeah, don't spit.
oh.
You spit in the face, man. Look at you. You fucking.
Hey, look, you calling on that, but if one man can hold you down, another man could.
You're a little black ass.
Oh no.
Hey, chill.
No, don't fight him. Don't lose your career over him.
Get going.
Oh yeah, they was cursing and calling him all types of shit.
Ow.
No, we're trying to help you.
My wrist. Ow.
Okay. Well, we'll hold him by here.
Come on. Guys, why you guys keep on hurting me like this, man?
You the one that want to fight with these big country fed boys. Like, look at him. He look like he eat protein powder in the morning just for no reason. Just no milk, no water, just straight powder.
No.
And you want to fuck? And you want to fuck with them?
No one's hurting
Listen,
you.
I can't walk like this, man. Hey, call.
Okay, hold on. We'll take you, sir.
I'm not
Put him in there. Just go in there. Hold on. Hold on, sir. Hold on.
Let's take a seat. How can I take a seat while I just hop up?
You better do the Humpty Hump, something shit.
Stop swelling. Stop welling. Just put your feet inside.
No, straight cut. Can you guys like this off so I can get work? Come on, guys.
Just take a seat.
Look how disorganized you guys are, man.
We're trying to help you up.
I'm trying to help you guys too.
All right, now swing your legs.
There you go. Thank you.
Hey, Bell, just strap him in. Put your seatbelt on from over here.
After transporting Shane to jail, officers go back to speak with the apartment employee about what she witnessed.
She walks and she's crying. She's like, I need help. She's like, I need to call the police. So I look at her and I'm like, okay. They have arguments all the time. So I'm like, okay, fine.
What you mean they got arguments all the time? I thought this was a hotel. This ain't a wow.
And then she's like shaking, and then I hear him coming, so I quickly call the cops. And while I'm calling the cops and telling them to come, he comes, grabs her, and is like, get in the apartment. I don't care, come in. He starts cursing at her. While he pulls her, she's screaming and yelling, help, get help. So I'm shaking in the phone trying to contact the apartment. And then before he grabbed her, she threw her phone at the front desk and she's like, grab my phone. She's like, grab my phone. And then she comes back and then I was gonna give her her phone back and she's like, no, take it. And then he comes back and starts yelling at me. where's my phone? Where's my phone? I was like, I don't know what you want me to do. I don't know where's your phone. He's like, I took an Uber and I left my phone in the Uber. I need my phone. He's like, I need you to call it. And then the people on the phone is telling me not to hang up. So I put the phone down and I go to the other and I write the number that's in the system that says his name. I go and I called in his father's number. He tells me, you call my dad. Because you call my f***ing dad, that's not my f***ing number. And I go, well, that's the number in the system. I don't know your number. What's your number? He's like, and he just starts giving me his number. I call it, no one's answering. I call it, no one's answering.
Okay.
That's when he yells, I need my f***ing phone. Just starts yelling. And then I'm like, it's okay. I was like, I know, I understand, but I can't do nothing about it. And I'm trying to calm him. I come here, trying to finish calling the phone. Out of nowhere, he just spirals over there, and then boom. I turn this quick second, and he quickly just hits it. He just hits it, and then he just runs in the couch and sits it. And then her girlfriend's like, are you serious? Did you just do that? He's like, what do you mean? I didn't do nothing. I didn't pull the trigger. And a resident came, and then she was like, did he just pull the trigger? And I'm like, don't worry, I'm calling cops, they're coming. And he goes, I didn't pull shit. And he just starts aggressively talking back to the resident, calling her old bag, this and that. We just start cursing at everybody, basically.
Okay.
And then he comes back in the front desk. He's like, I need my f***ing phone. Yells at me again.
Oh no, he got issues.
And then he's like, I didn't pull the trigger. So I just looked at him and I was like, okay, you did it. I was like, you did it. I don't know who did that. And he's like, no, because I did it. I was like, okay, I believe you. And that's when he just spirals again, and then he just leaves, but like starts banging on the wall.
Okay, give it a second, they'll be out the way.
And
then he just goes back in his room.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shane Marks was charged with false fire alarm, obstructing justice, battery on law enforcement officer, and resisting arrest.
What a idiot. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.